If FanDuel is blocked in your area, here's exactly how to get around it using Surfshark. It's what I use and it works every time. First, download Surfshark, create an account, and then open the app once it's downloaded. Now, connect to a server in a state where FanDuel is allowed, like New Jersey, New York, or Connecticut. Give it a few seconds to connect. Then, check your IP using any IP checker site. I recommend NordVPNs, and just confirm that it shows a different IP address than your main IP when you refresh the site, and that's how you'll know that the VPN is successfully connected. Once that's done, go back over to FanDuel and click refresh on that page as well. You should now have full access, no restrictions, and it will look as if you are in a state like Connecticut where FanDuel is allowed. Make sure that you keep Surfshark on the entire time. Whether it's in the background or you have the app fully open, just make sure that it is running while you're using FanDuel, especially if you're depositing, withdrawing, or using crypto. It'll keep your connection stable and keep your data private. What I like about Surfshark is it's quick, works on unlimited devices, and they don't log anything. All of your activity stays private. That's it. You can now use FanDuel from anywhere.